I want to light some.
Put the short in the bottom. Let's put it in the bottom.
Go to the other side, Kevin. All right, come on this side. Up in here. Let me see.
Got my hands on that. Look, right here, this greaser right here. This greaser right here. Lay it right there. Lay it down right here. Yeah. Let it sit there. Don't pull the stuff off when you pull it out of there. That's good. Come out of there with it. Right there, in front of you. Look, right here, grease.
There's got some right here.
Hey, there go the hose pipe, y'all. Get it ready.
Okay, oh, I see some grease right here.
Yeah, stick it in that grease. Up, y'all. Burn this bitch up. 2024. This bitch gonna burn. This bitch gonna burn to the 15th. Look right here. And that.
That shit on the power line.
So yeah, huh? Now it just look like that the power line's way over there. It just look like that.
I ain't got no guarantee for the one.
We ain't got no oil right here.
Yeah. Use that. Ooh, that thing got the heat kicking off it, boy.
Yeah, that shit was burning.
Hey, y'all. Get the hose pipe.
Be straight.
Get the hose pipe and start spraying
Now start
around,
spraying
y'all.
around.
Cause that shit gonna burn. Get the hose pipe, Mitch.
Hurry up.
We don't light no more, y'all. God damn. We finna burn all these wood down. Hey, y'all, if we get out of here, y'all better be on the other side. We got to save the house.
Spray around.
Don't spread till hold up. We ain't got but that fucking barrel to contain this motherfucker. It's up in 2024. Nicole, we can leave that stick right there. Don't stick it in there. Yeah. Say that. Yeah, put that little piece right there, Mitch. That little spit right there. Put that out. Right there. Now let's save the water. Save the water, cause we ain't got but the little barrel. Is it?
Should go past here.
Is the pump hooked up to the come up to the front? Mrs. Grass gonna catch on fire. Ooh, that motherfucker hot. Ooh, 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 ooh. That something hot. We should never did that shit. God damn, they pour too much oil on that.
I can't.
shit, I'm thinking you talking about that shit. I can't go close to that shit.
Look what y'all brought y'all
Hey, let's drag this barrel back. Yeah. We got to drag this barrel back. Fuck that barrel.
Fuck that bear.
Yeah, we gonna burn these poles down. Somebody getting the fine here. What's up? It ain't gonna burn hot that long, nope.
No, it will go down a minute.
That's the oil in there.
Yeah, I put it on.
Mitch! Just worry about the grass, don't spread. Till you see it get there. Woo, that motherfucker feel good though.
You think too much in there, like snakes and stuff?
Huh?
Rats or snakes and stuff in there?
So it come up out of that now. Don't spray no more, Mitch. Catch that grass. That's a fucking fire, that.
That's real fun.
This will get you moving, baby. I'm letting you. Hey!
Hey.
Ooh,
That's
yes,
in
indeed.
last time, too.
I know,
Pretty
huh?
good right here.
I know you
Yeah, we might need to bag up a few more feet.
I know. How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. I know.
Look, y'all, the bucket.
Come on, take that picture,
The
kid.
bucket gonna burn, man. Let's try to drag it a little bit, man. Look, Mr. Grass catching on fire.
I was trying, you can't even get up there though. That's why I was trying to catch that point like right in front of the barrier and shit. And you can't go that far. Just spray it right there, Kevin, across the front. Where she at? Yeah. That's what I was. Go back some to the right. Cause I was trying. I had wet all that like coming from the NBA. Just get all that right there just in case it come this way. It's hot. You just go ahead on over that way. Cause that shit, yeah, that's what I was doing. I had wet all the grass right there.
Too hot. I'm saying that thing too heavy. I don't think I got none.
That's why I had to bag up, boy. Like all the eyebrows about to come off.
Hey, check the backside. Make sure it ain't going on top of the truck. Jamal. What the backside look like, Jamal?
I got it in the truck. Real
Whoa.
shit. We can't stand by it right now.
Yeah, that bitch, yeah, you gotta let that bitch burn down. That bitch knocking that heat off on the nigga head. I couldn't even be close to that bitch. You can't get past like close to that barrel, Jamal. That bitch go bag you up.
What it look like back there, KJ?
So you good with that one. You gotta walk up close to that barrel so I get out of the grave. You ain't gonna get that like close to the barrel. I could've went right there.
We can strip out all this. We can strip down these drawers out here.
know.
Look at this motherfucker.
I done sweated already, baby. It's over with for
Me
me.
too.
Woo!
Make it to the back, yeah.
Baby, that heat ain't playing. I'm soaking wet.
Ain't make it to the back, but it's coming.
I'm sweating the heat.
Somebody pop out all house down and something. Like what?
Yeah. I don't know. What that is, Nicole? You better wait till that fire burn on, son. That shit still hot, child.
We're gonna wait a minute. They're right there.
I had to come out my jacket right quick.
Uh-huh. Don't burn a ring around your eye.
Is it spread?
No, it ain't spread.
They got a whole place somewhere. That's what they use. Jamal filling up the bucket.
Yeah, it feels good right by where we at.
Yeah. Can't get no closer.
I had to bag up out there and take my jacket out. Hey, who watching the track?
Say what side is he in the pile of the hill? Nicole, go. He ain't got the river truck.
Right there, man.
Oh, that's bad.
They say he looked through the wood.
You saw the fire from way up there?
I know they did. They see this fire from Natchez here. You call up there and see if they see a fire in the air.
You saw us the burning bus. You saw us the burning bus.
That's what I was looking for around there and start my damn fire. You know what I'm saying? Y'all done beat me to the
Keep down
What's
to the
going on,
river.
Cap?
What's
What's
going
happening,
on?
baby?
I'm cool.
You still running, huh?
Yeah.
All right now, that's good. How your little family?
Oh, they all right.
Okay. Yeah, that fire high.
Jamal,
Let
that's
it calm down a little bit now. We can ease up on it in a little bit.
You got your wood and stuff together up there?
Yeah, I'm gonna go light it in a minute. I'm gonna burn you some tires while I'm burning, you understand?
Yeah, go on, get them out the way,
You know
huh?
what I mean?
Oh, you
While it's
got
dark.
it. Yeah.
I'm gonna burn some of my tires and got that. But yeah, it's burning real good. I'm gonna call Chipper and see if he's gonna burn the stuff.
This is out in the years.
But this is the best time to burn it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's decent. Where's she at? She at the house? That's fire high. We will be in this minute. That's fire high.
What about on the other side? It's good? Yeah, it ain't really lit on that side. Well, that's a firefighter.
Well, we done had plenty of fires get out of hand. We know how to control them now.
Someone came and made a U-turn and going back, man.
That's because they want to record. It's going down.
They probably recording.
Look, they